Hi, my name is Mark, and welcome to SyncEzy's Procore Google Drive integration demo. We know that construction projects require seamless coordination between teams. And what this integration allows you to do is have all your data sitting in Procore synced automatically to Google Drive in both directions. The two-way sync happens every minute and supports G Drive, Google Doc, and Google Sheets, also supported in My Drive and Team Drives, and allows documents and photos to move back and forth between Procore and the Google Drive in the folder structure that you'd like to have in both systems. So it doesn't matter where your teams work out of, you can have the same documents showing in the same place. So if you're a project manager, a construction lead, or a Procore admin, and your company uses Google Workspace or G Suite, and you receive an email with attachments or emails with data, you can save all of that into your Google Drive seamlessly in a single click and have the data automatically appear in Procore without having to do another 11 clicks to save that in there. So let's go over some of the benefits. It is a real-time sync, so it keeps your files updated and available to all team members instantly. It allows for centralized document access. Google Drive has quick sharing and storage, while Procore ensures project-level organization. The syncing allows for version control and consistency. So documents that are updated in one system are then transferred to the other. This avoids costly errors by having staff always having access to up-to-date documents. And there's efficiency gains as well. So you can streamline your workflow and let Procore and Google Drive work together, saving you having to save it in one system and then move it to the other manually. This integration is used by some of our largest customers, so Tesla, LG, and Graphic Packaging are some of them. But in addition to that, it's not just large companies. It's also trusted by hundreds of Procore customers worldwide. So no matter what the size of your business, you will be able to get benefit from this if you are using Google Drive and Procore. If you'd like to learn more about SyncEzy and how the integration assists our customers, there are testimonials and some case studies available on our website. As you can see here from Telstra, we do have many happy clients and they're happy to share their stories and the benefits that they gain from having this integration. For all our integrations, we offer 24 hours a day, 5 days a week support through live chat, phone, and email. We're also SOC 2 Type 2 certified, which we've been that for the last 3 years. And we're also certified by the App Defense Alliance, as per the CASA protocol. So we've met stringent security requirements, and if your company has requirements around approval, we can go through and tick those off and make sure that we meet all of those requirements before you go ahead and make the purchase. So how does it actually look? It looks something like this. So within Procore, you'll have your document structure within the projects in the documents folder, and also you can have the same within the photos folder as well. And what we then do is sync that across to your Google Drive. So within a project folder, you'll have a documents and a photos subfolder, and within those, the documents will be contained within a replicated folder structure. And what it then means is, though, when you go through and update a document one side, that will be updated across to the other system. Same thing applies if you add a new folder, that folder will be created, and any documents within it obviously will go be kept in sync as well. The tools that we currently support are documents and photos. So any of those that you actually have come through will be there for you. We've also got a free plan, so you can try out the integration with up to 5 projects and up to 2 gigabytes of sync data to get used to the process and see how it works for you. The setup is fairly simple. You can do it yourself. Normally takes about sort of 10 to 15 minutes to do. However, obviously we are available via our support channels to assist as required. So what I'll do now is I'll just jump into the system and sort of show you in a bit more detail how that all works. So when you register onto the SyncEzy portal at integrations.syncezy.com, you'll see all the integrations that we have available. and you can just scroll down to the Procore one and then scroll through to the relevant one, in this case, Google Drive. From here, you can click on the View Pricing. Once you've actually registered, either for the free trial or to purchase, you would then go to the My Integrations section, and you can then, if you've got many, just search that up, and they'll bring you through to your integration. And you'll see here the connection process is as simple as once you're in the system, logging into your Procore account, and then also then logging into your Google Drive account. That will form the connection. And once they're together, it's then just a matter of going through and doing the configuration. This is where you then add a project to sync. If you do have multiple companies within Procore, you can choose the relevant one. And you can then search up the project that you're wishing to sync. Choose the tools that you'd like to sync across. And then within Google Drive, you can then go through and choose the folder that you're wanting to sync these through to. Here's ones that we've already done. And if you want to then go in and have a look at that sync, you can click on the File Manager. You can select the project. And you'll then see the folder structure that exists within Procore and also the folder structure that exists within Google Drive. Obviously, they're mirrored. And within these, you can then see the documents that are coming across as well. So here you'll find some PDF documents. You'll also see here some Google Docs. Now, when you go in and update a Google Doc within Google Drive, obviously that's a live document. What we do, however, is copy across a PDF version of that. So you've got a point-in-time copy. When this is then saved again, a new version of that PDF is then updated into Procore. So you've got a fairly up-to-date version of whatever's in the Google Doc or the Google Sheet appearing as a PDF within Procore. If you wanted to go through and actually have a look in Procore itself, you could click on this link, and that will take you through to the Procore side of things and all the different folders. And then once I'm in here, if I wanted to add in a document, I could go into Permits, and I can then upload a document. Once that document's added, I can then come back in here, open up the relevant folder, and I can see that that document has then been loaded up into Procore, and I can see that it's already synced across into Google Drive. So if I go across into Google Drive, I can then go into Documents, go to the relevant folder, and I can see that that document's there. Obviously, the same applies. If you then load up a document into Google Drive, that will then obviously be picked up by the sync and then be transferred into Procore. In addition to project documents, there's also the ability to link company documents. So you're able to go in here and then obviously link that through to a specific folder in Google Drive as well. Whenever you're in the SyncEzy portal, if you require any assistance, there's the 24/5 support chat down here. And if you click on that, that will then start a chat with one of our consultants who are online. And if need be, they can then set up a webinar where that will actually step you through the process of fixing whatever you need to do or providing assistance or even just understanding the problem that you're experiencing. In addition to that, you can contact us either via email, which will come through to either sales or support, or if you've got a billing inquiry, you can also send it through there. And in addition to that, so to send that through, we'll get back to you, or you can contact us by booking a meeting if required. There are also some phone calls here, so if you prefer to call someone, then that's an option that's available to you. So thank you for your time today. We appreciate that, and obviously look forward to you jumping on board and trying out the integration. And obviously, any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you. Bye.